to go.
One of the ways that HEVA assists in ensuring food security in the households is by production of compost manure within the homes, where we make the manure that we use for production of our crops. And one of those ways is by producing vermicompost and finally getting vermiliquid, which is a byproduct of the process. So for the vermicompost, you start with a bed. Why we are having a bed is because we raise the bed to avoid predators getting in and eating the ants. And you make sure that you put some oil on the post so that the predators do not get in. So you line the bed with a polythene paper, because as I've said, one of the things that we harvest is also vermiliquid. So the polythene helps for the liquid not to escape, for that it can be harvested. The first step is laying the beddings for the worms. Now we are laying the droppings from the animals, and usually rabbit droppings that are going to act as the manure from the animals. So you spread them well. Now we are adding some ash from our traditional pot, traditional jiko. We also have some nutrients that it adds in the manure. So there's nothing actually that we waste from our homes. So I'm going to sprinkle also. Also going to add eggshell. That is also waste from our kitchen, but I'm going to add the ones that I have previously crushed. So here they are. So you spread them. I'm now adding eggshells crushed from our chicken. The eggs we eat from the farm. We don't throw away the shells. We preserve them, and then we crush them to add them to our composting bed. the green matter, we are adding sidonia, which we also grow here in the farm. So we are using all materials that are locally available within the farm. We are going to put a layer of sidonia. We are going to add some soil on top, and then spread it, just a thin layer, so that we can place the red bigger worms.